All right, today we're going to take a look at a supplement called HepatoBurn. It's built around a pretty interesting idea that tackles a problem that, let's be honest, a lot of us have faced. So let me ask you something. Have you ever been in that spot where you feel like you're doing everything right? You're eating clean, you're hitting the gym, but the scale just will not move. If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are in good company. And it's just this frustrating cycle, right? It can really make you start to think, maybe I just don't have enough willpower. But what if the issue isn't about you trying harder? The whole idea behind this product is that maybe we've been looking at the wrong thing all along. What if the real culprit, the thing that most of us never even think about when it comes to metabolism, is actually your liver? Now, that is the core idea we're going to unpack today. Okay, so let's get right into it. This idea of the liver as a hidden weight loss blocker. And we're not just talking about its job as a filter. We're talking about its potential role as the main engine for your entire metabolism. I really like this way of thinking about it. Your liver as the central control panel for how your body deals with fat and energy. It's a total shift in perspective, isn't it? The thinking here is, if that control panel is sluggish or just plain overwhelmed, it doesn't really matter how much effort you're putting in. The system just can't respond the way it's supposed to. So, if the liver is the potential problem, then what's the fix? Well, this is where the whole idea of a liver-first solution comes in, and that's exactly what HepatoBurn claims to be. So what is it exactly? Well, in a nutshell, HepatoBurn is a dietary supplement made with natural ingredients. Its entire job, its main focus, is to help improve the health and function of your liver. The goal is that by doing that, you create an environment for healthy, sustainable fat burning to happen naturally. And look, this isn't positioned as some kind of quick, temporary fix. The whole philosophy is built on 3 key actions: repair, support, and then optimize your liver function. The whole point is to get your metabolism working from the ground up, the way it's meant to. Okay, so how does it supposedly do all that? Let's take a peek inside the formula and look at the 2 main blends they use and what they're designed for. The formula is basically broken down into 2 teams, you could say. On one side, you've got the liver fat-burning complex. This has ingredients you might recognize, like Camellia sinensis from green tea and resveratrol. These are all there to support your metabolism and energy at the cellular level. Then on the other side, you have the liver purification complex. This includes things like silymarin from milk thistle and the powerful antioxidant glutathione, which are there to help with detox and protect the liver cells. It's really presented as this 2-in-1 approach to getting your liver back on track. All right, so you've got this formula. What are the results you might actually feel? And, maybe just as important, what kind of promise is the company making to people who try it? What's really interesting here is that the potential benefits they talk about aren't just about the scale. The idea is that when you support your liver, you get this whole cascade of positive effects. A faster metabolism, sure, but also things like having more energy, feeling sharper mentally, and even seeing improvements in your sleep and your skin. It's really framed as a total body wellness thing. Okay, but let's get to the 2 biggest questions, right? Is it actually safe to take? And maybe more importantly, does it even work? So they describe the formula as being plant-based, non-GMO, and it's also free of common stuff like soy and dairy. A huge plus for a lot of people is that it's completely stimulant-free, so you're not going to get those caffeine jitters. It's really designed for daily, long-term use. They do mention some people might feel some mild detox-like effects in the first few days, which they say is a normal part of the adjustment process. And to back all of this up, they put their money where their mouth is with one simple, powerful number: 60. That's right, 60 days. Every single order comes with a full 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. It's a pretty strong statement of confidence, and it basically removes all the financial risk for anyone who's curious and wants to give it a try. For anyone who's interested, there are a few ways to buy it. You can grab a starter pack of 2 bottles, but the bigger packages, the 3 or 6-bottle options, offer a much better value per bottle. And honestly, since this is all about making a foundational change, the 90 or 180-day supplies kind of make more sense with the product's long-term philosophy. So really, the main takeaway here is this. This isn't being sold as just another quick-fix diet pill. The entire concept is this liver-first strategy that's all about restoring the very root of your metabolism, aiming for results that last. And that kind of leaves us with a final question to think about. If you're one of those people who's been doing all the right things but not seeing the results you want, maybe the problem was never your effort. Maybe it's always been that internal control panel. Is it time to think about a different approach that starts from the inside out?